Hello friends, welcome to our channel Agricos World. Today we are going to discuss some of the important MCQs which are repeated in many of the competitive exams related to agriculture. Moving on to the first question. Use of the MB plough is dash tillage operation. We should be clear that ploughs come under the primary tillage operations and harrows come under the secondary tillage operations. So MB plough, moldboard plough comes under the primary tillage implements. Cross between inbred line and open pollinated variety is known as. A cross between an inbred line and an open pollinated variety, that is OPV, it is called as a top cross. Micronutrient which is essential for the synthesis of auxins is. The micronutrient which is mostly essential for the synthesis of auxins is zinc. During mitosis, chromosomal DNA duplication takes place in which state? Here we should be clear that the DNA duplication in mitosis usually takes place in S phase. That is, during the DNA replication process, the DNA content will be doubled. That is, 2C content will be changed to 4C content. Next question. Whose test is done for? Whose test is done for bacteria, and for the fungi we go for the Blotter's test, and for virus ELISA test is done. Specific gravity of milk is. The specific gravity of the milk is 0.5 and the specific gravity of water is 1. Optimum moisture content for storing cereals is. For storing the cereals, the optimum moisture content is 12% and for oilseeds it is 8%. What is the best pH for the semen preservation? For the semen preservation, the best pH is 6.8. What is the edible part of pomegranate? The edible part of pomegranate is eril. Kisan Bharati is a periodical publication from which university? Kisan Bharati is a periodical publication from the GB Pant Agriculture University, and GB Pant University is the first university to be established in India related to agriculture. Initially, in how many states ISOPOM scheme was launched? ISOPOM, it is a integrated scheme for the oilseeds, pulses, maize and oil palm. And when it was launched, it was initially launched in 14 states. What is the water potential of pure water? The water potential of pure water is always 0. And if we go on adding the solutes, it will become in a negative values. So the highest potential of water is 0. Site of protein synthesis. The major site of protein synthesis is ribosomes. Next question. Agrostology is the study of. Agrostology is the study of grasses. Minimum level of water erosion occurs in which stage? The different stages of water erosion are splash, sheet, rill and gully, and the minimum level of water erosion occurs in splash stage and the maximum level of water erosion occurs in gully or the riverine stage. Fruit which is not considered in pomology. The fruit which is not considered in pomology is watermelons, because watermelons are placed in the vegetable family, that is Cucurbitaceae. So that's why they are not considered in pomology. Aluminium phosphate is. Aluminium phosphate, it is used as a rodenticide and mostly in the form of fumigation. Vapam acts as. Metham sodium, which is a dithiocarbamate, is known as a vapam, and it can be used as an insecticide, fungicide or a herbicide. Termites attack which part of the plant? Termites attack each and every part of the plant, that is, they attack the stem, leaf, roots. Productivity of banana is highest in which state? The productivity of banana is highest in the state of Tamil Nadu. Wilt resistant variety of gram is. The wilt resistant variety of gram is Avrodhi. Rice variety which is suitable for direct seeding is Bala TN1 IR8. From these, the rice variety which is suitable for direct seeding is Bala. Bud necrosis in groundnut is transmitted by. The bud necrosis in groundnut is due to the attack of the virus and it is transmitted by thrips. Spiked millet is spiked millet, candle millet, or the cattail millet. All this belongs to bajra. So the spiked millet is bajra. Priming is the process which is followed in which crop? Priming, it is the removal of the matured leaf. That is the harvesting of the matured leaves. So the priming is the process. It is related to tobacco. Thank you friends. I hope you liked our video. If you like our video, please do like, share and subscribe to Agricos World for more content related to agriculture.